Alright, guess who's back? J, y'all. You better tell a friend to tell a friend. And now that my hair is getting longer, I gotta start doing something to it. And this is what I've been doing to it. So my hair is freshly washed, conditioned, and if you don't know by now, I'm not very blessed in the edges department, so I'm using some Jamaican black castor oil on my edges and I guess all over my hair, really. Followed by some shea butter. This has been a favorite of mine for years, so I have absolutely no reason to change it up now. So I'm going to put it all over my hair like a relaxer. Too soon? Okay, maybe too soon. In any case, I'm just gonna grab pieces of hair that can be twisted and twist them up. I'm not too concerned about the parting or anything like that. I'm just basically creating medium-sized twists. I'm gonna wrap my hair up and let it sit until it dries. Now that my face is beat and my hair is dry, it's time to take out the twist. I'm going to unravel them using a little bit of oil. And I'm also going to separate them, and you guessed it, using a little bit of oil. Just because I don't use gel or anything like that, I find that a heavy oil such as castor oil really helps keep my hair together and reduce frizz a little bit. But truth be told, I'm not too concerned about frizz. My hair is still short after all. A twist out wouldn't be a twist out without a pick, so go ahead and use that. For the part of my hair that's too short to be twisted, I go ahead and use a sponge. I've been using this ever since I cut my hair. And this is another reason why I use a lot of oils, because this can be drying, but the oil prevents all of that. I go ahead and brush my edges a little bit, get them looking neat, and that is it. That's what I've been doing to my hair. That's how I keep myself looking together. It's pretty easy. It lasts me about a week. If you have any questions, leave them below, and I'll see you in my next video. Yes, because there is a next video coming up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!